Good morning guys, today we are going to a Gran Canaria island called...
We're going to the island called Gran Canarias. It's just one of the Canary Islands.
Okay, that's confusing, I'm dyslexic, how am I meant to know that? We don't exactly know what we're doing, we don't have an excursion booked. However, it is a 5-minute walk from the beach.
So we might go there, or we might not.
Yeah. Well, we are arriving. Says we've got another 2 hours. So we have some live news arriving in the port of Gran Canaria. How lovely.
There's 2 cruise ships here already while we're pulling in.
It's very loud, I don't know if you can actually hear. I am currently editing while there's something going on over there. And we are just going into port. Was it really nice?
And here we are at the exit.
I look nothing like my photo, I feel like. I don't really know what a plan is.
No. We are slowly walking through here. We've got on, I believe, on the main strip now.
There's a lot of cruises here and there's a lot of people.
Yeah, you can see there's one there and then ours there.
There's the main shopping centre there.
Yeah.
Which should be full of tourists right now.
And where are we going?
We're going to go this way and right and hopefully end up at a beach.
Hopefully.
Main street and we've just got a Coca-Cola Zero. I love that sound. I may have spilled it though. Well, well, well. Look what we finally found. And it's really nice and warm.
Should we go down now?
Oh yeah, give my coat back. So our issue is, here is not warm in the shade, but
here you cannot stand still.
when you stand there, it gets really warm. So we're debating on what we want to do. Very pretty though.
I really want to lay on the beach.
Yeah, but how do we get there?
I don't know, I guess we just have to brave it for a bit. Do you think I should get a towel out now? As soon as we get to a place where we want to go, I can just quickly put a towel down and we can start standing on that.
That is a good idea. It's gorgeous though. So pretty. These are MSC towels. I actually said that we can use them, which I had no idea.
There's 2 left in the cabin, or hand 2 back in at the end of the cruise.
Do whatever you want. Yeah.
Ready?
I'm scared for my feet.
Go. Where are we going?
It's fine
We need a
here.
park to go.
I want to go to the ocean bit, so I think further along.
Oh, you should have brought a snorkel and stuff.
I said do you want to bring it and you ignored me. We've made it this close. There's so many people here. It's not that bad, the sun here. It's just in the middle of it. Oh, hello. Hello. So, Jacob. How you doing?
I'm good, I'm just playing the sand. Hello. Oh. No. Right. Oh God.
We're going to like your waist and then not go further.
I'm going to go take the phone back and go all the way in.
You want to put your sunglasses back and going all the way in?
Yeah, I will. How you doing?
I'm good. It's actually really warm. It's 28 out. This was a bit nippy before we actually got in. I've still got my bra on, which I've got to take off. But yeah, we're gonna go dip in and put off our bodies in, so we'll see you later. We're still just here chilling. There is quite a few people with their tops off. We'll just ignore that, don't we? I'm scared, that's why I've not really recorded much, because I'm worried that I'm going to get someone in it. And yeah, we were just in that bit there. We met a lovely woman that's on our cruise. And she was very nice. I just love the mountains that way, they're so pretty. So something that I actually think is quite cool, we started at the other end of the ocean and now we're at this end of the ocean, so technically we walked across the whole island. Isn't that right?
Well, this bit of the island is very thin, but
yeah,
technically
though, like We just found the cutest dog I think apart from my own dogs, I've ever seen.
It was like your own dog, Neddy?
It was like my dog, but like the tiniest dog. It just straight away gave me its paws and was just like, I love you. And I was like, you've got the cutest dog ever. And she was like, yeah, there's about 5 more down there. It's a street dog. I was just like, he was like, you want? I was like, I'm on a cruise. How can I take a dog
that,
there?
yeah, we would have taken it.
Nice and warm though.
So we've just left the beach.
Found a cute dog.
Found a very cute dog. And now we're slowly walking back. We're going to look in shops and also look in the shopping arcade that's right next to the cruise. But we wanted to get to the beach before it got really busy, so we came there first.
Yes, I was
another
just
cute
gonna
dog
say
just about to go past.
We're getting 2 more drinks. And I'm actually going to pay by cash this time. I think that's €2. €2, please. Thank you. I got it right, it was. For a second there, I am. Thank you. I debated on it not being. Yay! Back that way.
Yes. Got really confused then.
You're already lost.
There you go. We love these little shops, don't we?
Yeah, it's full of everything.
Well, you were going to get a fan, weren't you?
Yeah, but I think it might be a bigger one. These are nice.
Nice shorts over there.
I think I'm going to get this one. I can't take it off because of that. But there is also these that are really nice.
I like that one more.
No, I know. I was going to say because I'll snap that. Oh! I love that one, boys. That one?
Yeah, maybe.
That's gorgeous. Is it yeah, that one. Yeah.
You get that one? Okay.
Can we get one of these? I just take off? Ah, thank you. Can I have this one, please? Yes. Oops. I thought it was a security thing. Thank you. I got it. I'm going to put it on straight away. So we're in Gran Canaria?
Gran Canary.
Gran Canaria.
In La Palma.
And I'm going to put this on and add it to my collection. The reason why I'm recording it is so I remember where I got the wool from. Massively, look. Yes, I wear Crocs with socks.
Psychopath.
No, we've just seen someone.
Oh yeah.
Should we say?
Yes.
We just saw someone.
If you get triggered, look, don't listen to this.
Triggered by what?
By psychopaths.
Right, this one's on. Well, basically, I was trying to say what happened, but there were so many people around. When we were in the, like, you know, when you just come out of the beach and there's water and you kind of spray your feet with them. When we were in them, there was a man that went in straight after us, and we were obviously getting dressed, so we were just in there, so we were watching. And a man rinsed his feet, didn't dry it, and put on trainers, Nike white trainers, no
Without
socks.
socks. Just on his slap bam, wet, soaking feet.
Completely. Didn't dry it and just put the trainers on. We were just staring at him like literally a psychopath. Well, obviously we were saying it because I have socks on with Crocs.
Like Beth is a weirdo, but he is a psychopath.
That was like, I only do it because I have bad blisters at the end of the day.
And that is where we're going. But try not to get run over.
Jacob decided to put his top on right before we enter. Oh my god, you take your time. It's actually dog friendly. I really wanted that dog. I really wish that I could have got a video of it. But I didn't want to be weird and say, can I get a video of your dog, please? Oh my gosh, Jacob. Okay, we're now in the shopping mall.
Where do you want to go?
What's the crime scene about?
No idea.
I want to go. It's quite a lot of directions, really. We go that way, up there, or down here. Which way?
Well, let's look at this.
What?
I don't know, the cinema. Can I watch a Spanish film?
Oh yeah, it'll be in Spanish. I assume that might be what that is then.
Probably, yeah.
Woman's secret.
Most things are in this floor.
If we go straight down here, we'll go the entrance. Yeah, it's crowded, isn't it? And we're getting to our cruise now. That's our cruise there. God, he came out of nowhere. I think that's just heading back then.
Yeah, I think we're done. Well, we're not done for the day. We're just done with being off the cruise.
Yeah. I think we're actually going to go straight into the jacuzzi.
Yeah. We're going to go into the cruise, onto the jacuzzi, in the jacuzzi I mean. Right. We're going back on the cruise, in the jacuzzi to wash the seawater off us. Then I think we're going to have showers to wash the chlorine off us.
Why? Really, again? You just put that on. I think there was going to be live music there.
Yeah, I think there was. It is.
It's going to be.
Right, let's see what we need to get in here then.
I believe it's just our cruise card. Good there. Do you want yours?
Yeah.
You just show him. Thank you. That was easier done. Give him his back.
Oh, there you go.
Jacob is not in charge of these. Infinity pool. That's not our cruise. That's our cruise though.
Yeah.
We're now back in the... There's like a terminal port.
Yeah, the cruise terminal we're in.
We're now back in the cruise terminal, and we're kind of just wandering. It's just the ocean really, and then the cruises are there. So yeah, it's really nice, sunny, but a bit of wind, which is really nice.
This is very nice actually.
I have put on sun cream about 3 times in case my mum's watching. I am sun cream secured, and I also have my sun cream in here. I do, yeah. Just had to check. I was then like, I don't know. We have the cruise here, and we're gonna go get a thumbnail because it's really pretty actually. When we were getting on yesterday from Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, the line to get back on was insane. So we're hoping now it's a completely different port, that it shouldn't be that bad.
It seems not bad.
Well, that's our cruise. I just got a nice photo of Jacob standing in the middle of here, pointing to both the cruises, which I think is really nice actually. I'm not really sure. Oh yeah. Should we take more? Turn around. So we have made it back to our cruise, and it has been a lovely day. We are going to continue videoing when we're inside because we've not really done much and it wouldn't be point in a video.
So I assume we're going to see you on top of the cruise.
Yay! It is sunny actually. Let's put these on.
Yeah. Much better.
So much. Oh, you can't really tell, but we're in the jacuzzi now. We have showered and obviously changed because we were in chlorine water and salt water, so obviously we need to. Now we're going to go get tea and coffee and sit at the back of the ship.
Yeah.
So we've just come out and, well, as you can hear, there's quite a lot going on. I have got my sun cream, so Jacob has quickly ran back for me and I'm just waiting for him now. This is my view while I wait. Really nice mountains. Somehow we managed to get involved in whatever you just saw. I actually did get a photo with them. Insert that now. Yeah, we're now having tea and coffee. I just had a lovely chat with a woman that's from South Africa, and obviously I'm red, I'm white, and I'm so red. And she was like, yeah, it's really cold here, and I was like, it's 20. That's not cold to me, girl. It was so funny. She was the sweetest person ever. Are you ready to go entertainment?
I am.
Come on then. Got to remember the sun cream. Factor 50 because I'm ginger. Any thoughts on today?
Very good.
Oh my god, it's on floor 5.
It's really lovely.
Am I burnt?
Got hands.
Never know. E. My thighs are already rubbing together and I'm ready for tomorrow. Look. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. Smile for the camera.
Okay, but... Oh my gosh.
Here we are once again.
Hello How did you find that one?
I really liked it. I don't think you did you?
I did not. I like to have,
dancers.
yeah, I like to have dancers so I can kind of
I think
look
you got
at
the audience
something.
really involved, and I think it was really nice.
Yeah, we were. I got a flashlight out.
Yeah.
I'm just quickly editing, and I've just realised there's no sign-off video for this one, as per usual, because that's just what we're like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and there is how many more videos to come?
4 or 5.
Quite a few more to come. So yeah, stay tuned.